how the Himalayas formed and are still growing today. Welcome everyone, today we're unraveling one of the most epic creation stories on Earth, the formation of the Himalayas, the planet's mightiest mountain range. This isn't just ancient history, it's a dynamic ongoing process that continues to shape our world right now. So how did these colossal peaks, including the legendary Mount Everest, actually come to be? The answer lies in a planetary force of unimaginable power plate tectonics. Our story begins not millions but over 200 million years ago when all the world's continents were joined together in a single vast supercontinent known as Pangaea. As Pangaea began to break apart, a significant chunk of land, which we now know as the Indian subcontinent, broke free and embarked on a solo journey. Propelled by the churning currents of Earth's mantle beneath it, India became a continental speedster drifting northwards at a rate of up to 15 centimeters per year, a blistering pace in geological terms. For tens of millions of years, it raced across the ancient Tethys Ocean on a direct collision course with the massive Eurasian landmass. Then around 50 million years ago, the inevitable happened. The northward migrating Indian plate finally crashed head-on into the Eurasian plate. Now, in many tectonic collisions, one plate is dense and oceanic, so it slides beneath the other in a process called subduction. But this collision was different. Both India and Eurasia were composed of lightweight, buoyant continental crust. Think of it as two massive icebergs colliding, neither wants to sink. So when they met, there was nowhere for the rock to go but up. The leading edges of both continents crumpled, folded, and fractured under the immense pressure. It was like slowly pushing a rug against a wall. The only way to absorb the force is for the rug to buckle and rise into a series of folds. On a continental scale, this crumple zone became the Himalayas, as layer upon layer of sedimentary rock that once lay at the bottom of the Tethys Ocean were thrust skyward, eventually forming the towering peaks we see today. But here is the most mind-blowing part of this story: the collision is far from over. The tectonic engine that started this process is still running. India continues to push its way into Asia, moving north at about 5 centimeters per year. This relentless grinding pressure means the Himalayas are not static monuments of the past, they are a living, breathing, and actively growing mountain range. Geologists estimate that they rise by approximately 1 centimeter per year. This growth isn't a gentle uniform lift. This constant tectonic stress builds up and gets stored in the rock until it's suddenly released in the form of devastating earthquakes, which continue to reshape the landscape and remind us of the powerful forces at work deep below the surface. So the next time you see a breathtaking photograph of the Himalayas, remember that you are looking at the most dramatic and visible scene of a continental collision. You are witnessing a real-time geological masterpiece, a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our planet. This mountain range is still being sculpted, still rising towards the sky, proving that the Earth is very much alive. If you're amazed by the powerful forces that built our world and want to discover more of Earth's incredible secrets, we have a whole world of wonders to explore together. Let us know in the comments which natural phenomenon you'd like us to cover next. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to the channel for more journeys into the heart of our amazing planet. Thanks for watching.